Ever wonder why your radiators have cold spots or your pipes are making that annoying banging sound? Welcome to PartsHnC. Air is often the hidden enemy of efficient heating, as trapped air in hydronic systems creates pockets that block the flow of water. This leads to common problems like noisy, banging pipes and uneven heating. A water main vent valve provides a reliable solution by automatically removing entrapped air as it builds up, allowing the entire heating system to work better and last much longer. This specific valve is engineered for versatility and can be easily integrated into various water distribution systems, featuring a 3/4-inch male and a 1/2-inch female NPT connection. Built to handle intense environmental conditions, it operates effectively at pressures up to 75 psi and can withstand temperatures as high as 250 degrees Fahrenheit. By eliminating unwanted air, the valve prevents airlocks from forming, which significantly improves the overall efficiency of boilers and radiators, while helping the system control water flow and pressure more accurately. Whether installed in a home or a commercial building, regular air elimination reduces the need for frequent maintenance and preserves the integrity of the hardware. Reliable air removal is an essential component for maintaining a high-performance and quiet heating system. To optimize your facility with genuine high-quality components, visit our website, PartsHnC.com, for fast shipping on all your essential HVAC parts. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more HVAC maintenance tips. Don't forget to follow us on our social media pages for the latest updates and parts guides. Thanks for watching.